Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Localsend errors. All right, so first up, we're going to try to fix it on our computers. And then later on, we're going to try to fix it on our phones. Okay, so for computers, specifically Windows, where we get many errors. So sometimes we get the Windows socket error like 10013. That's a connection error. So the first fix is go ahead and go to your date and time, right click on it and click on adjust date and time. Now make sure that set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both enabled. And once enabled, click on sync now. Wait a bit. And by the way, before you click on sync now, if you do have VPNs, disable your VPNs. All right. And then once that's disabled, click on sync now. And after that, go ahead and check if it works. Another way to fix errors when transferring, make sure that all of your devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. The other device should not use a VPN as well. So do not use VPNs if you want to use Localsend. And after that, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Windows Defender Firewall right here. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. All right, go ahead and locate Localsend. Right here, localsend_app.exe. Make sure that both private and public are ticked right here. If you can't tick it, click on change settings right here. Now you'll be able to tick it. Click on OK, close. After that, test if it works. If that still won't work, let's go ahead over to our settings or all of our devices settings. Okay, on your phone as well, go ahead and open up your settings and then just go ahead and find the section network right here. You're going to want to stop it. Stop and stop on your other device as well, like your phone or tablet. And then just start. Refresh. And after that, go ahead and click on send right here and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now on our phones, just got to find Localsend. First up for Android, tap and hold. Tap on the information icon. Now go ahead and find storage. Tap on it. Now tap on clear cache, followed by clear data. Click on delete, close it, and launch Localsend. All right. Now for iOS, just go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage, find Localsend, and then just offload the app. Once that's done, you might need to update the app. Just update it. And after that, open it up and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you fix Localsend errors. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.